Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of cold brew, but not just any cold brew. We're making your very own signature cold brew at home. Forget the store-bought stuff. Let's craft a brew that's uniquely yours. Why cold brew? Cold brew coffee is smooth, rich, and naturally low in acidity, making it an easy favorite. But many think it's time-consuming, requires fancy equipment, or is tricky to get just right. Spoiler alert, it's not. Step 1. Choose your coffee. Start with high-quality beans. A medium or dark roast works best for bold, smooth flavors. Grind them coarsely, think sea salt texture, to prevent over-extraction. Step 2. The magic ratio. Mix 1 cup of ground coffee with 4 cups of water. Stir to saturate, cover, and let it steep for 12 to 24 hours in the fridge. Step 3. Strain and serve. After steeping, strain using a fine mesh sieve or coffee filter. What you have now is cold brew concentrate. Mix it with water, milk, or ice to your preferred strength. Now, let's make it yours. This is where you create your signature cold brew. Try these easy flavor twists. Vanilla Dream. Add vanilla bean or vanilla extract while steeping. Cinnamon Spice. Toss in a cinnamon stick for a warm spiced note. Citrus Zing. Infuse with orange or lemon peel for a refreshing twist. Chocolate Bliss. Mix in cocoa nibs or a touch of chocolate syrup post-brew. Your turn. Experiment, tweak, and discover what makes your perfect cold brew. Comment below with your favorite flavors. I'd love to hear what you create. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more coffee adventures. See you in the next one.